First this evening, the Jamaica Public Service Company is dismissing the suggestion that it has not reduced bills for streetlights despite the installation of LED devices which should cut the bill.
The company rebuffed the claim, which was made during a recent meeting of Parliament's Public Administration Appropriations Committee, PAAC. Dashan Hendricks reports.
An argument over the cost of streetlights in Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, early this month. As it went on, one member asked if the country is saving with the LED streetlights being installed. The response?
From the information we have received, it appears it's a fixed rate.
So even though we're changing out to LED, which is supposed to be more efficient, etc., the only person who currently would be getting the benefit of that would be JPS, if you are on a fixed rate.
The suggestion there, the JPS is not passing on the savings from the fuel-efficient LED lights to the country, but the JPS says that's not the case. Senior Vice President for Customer Service at the JPS, Ramsey MacDonald, compared data from January to September last year to the corresponding period this year.
One saw a 15.7% reduction in the actual cost.
The cost savings resulting from fuel consumption for streetlights falling 13%. But why then did the government official tell the PAAC that the cost for streetlights is fixed?
Energy is just one aspect of the bill. You also have fuel, your GCT, and any interest charges for under arrears. So the impact of those other charges in effect meant that any reduction that would have been seen as a result of this implementation of the smart street lamps, we're seeing everything really flat at this particular time.
The bill each month to the government between $260 and $280 million. Interest costs on arrears reach up to $25 million each month, according to Mr. MacDonald. All accrue to billions in charges, but the government is making efforts to have it cleared.
So far, they've paid $6.52 billion as at the end of September.
There is still an outstanding amount of $3.4 billion. The JPS says the government has promised to pay up by June of next year. Thereafter, the hope is that it will remain current. As for the JPS, it says the payment will allow it to repair broken street lights. 6,000 more are to be repaired between now and the end of this year. 5,000 have been repaired since January. There are 41,000 street lights now installed in Jamaica. Mr. MacDonald says the JPS wants to have all 105,000 street lights converted to LED by 2020. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.